Hey everybody, thought I'd take a look at a kit I've had for about 20 plus years probably. It's a 125th su100 tank destroyer by Toy Star, which I believe is Korean. I don't think this is in production anymore. I think it's been out of production for quite some time. And I've heard that the kit or the molds were actually from Tamiya, from an old Tamiya kit, maybe from the 70s or something like that. I don't know if that's true or not, but pulled these out of the basement, just taking a look at them. Figured I'd give you guys a look at what's in the box. I haven't seen this out on the web, so people might be interested in it. So here's some information. Again, Toy Star. I don't recall the actual Tamiya box, but I think the art's fairly similar. Here's one side of it. Let's see if we can get the other. Oh, that's pretty standard. They made a few other 125th scale kits. So this is interesting. That's 132nd Abrams, it looks like. So I actually have the TU-34. I'll do a inbox review of that sometime. So we'll take a look at what's inside too.